Hello Art Beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! Pearls are really trendy right now, so I wanted to kind of show you some more trendy looks with pearls, big bold pearls, and I'm going to show you how to make a cute little wire wrapped pearl bobby pin. I think one of the big trends this year, especially this spring and summer, is going to be pearl jewelry. And pearls have made a big comeback this year, but in a more kind of modern, trendy way. So I have some examples from our design studio of these beautiful trendy pearls that I think are great for this year. And I'm also going to show you how to make a little wire wrapped bobby pin for your hair with some of our pearls. I think that's also a big trend this year too, is hair accessories with pearls. I've been wearing a lot of those velvet headbands with the pearls stitched on. Those are really big. So pearls are having a really great moment right now. So I just wanted to share some inspiration. All of these ideas you can find in our design studio at artbeads.com with full instructions and a supplies list. I've also got links to them in the video description. So if you see anything you like, you can definitely find it on our website. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is such a lovely tray. I don't know where to start. Let's start with this one because I just recently made this one. So this I made as a face mask chain to hold your face masks. So it's just finished with lobster clasps at the end, and you just hook it onto the elastic of your face mask. And I put some of these bigger pearls because big, bold pearls are really in right now. So I put that in at the front of the design. So this is a really fun face mask holder. It's one of my favorite face mask holders that I've made. And what's great about this is if in the future you don't need to wear a face mask, you can wear it as a necklace or a sunglasses holder. So all you would have to do to wear it as a necklace is just hook those clasps together, and then you've got a fun necklace that you can layer with other necklaces or wear alone. And if you want to use it as a sunglasses holder, we have sunglass holder findings. You would just hook these to the ends of those and then attach them to your sunglasses. So there's all kinds of ways you can use those fun mask holders, and they're really fun to make to match with your different masks and whatnot. This is another really fun kind of updated look for pearls. It is a leather wrap bracelet. Look how long this baby is. Really fun. So you can go as long or as short as you like with this wrap bracelet design. And it's just a really fun kind of youthful look that you can just wrap around your wrist. Check it out. So fun. And this is a really fun technique. Super easy once you learn it. And we have tutorials for how to do this technique. And you can just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. So much fun. And it's finished with a button closure, so you can just attach it super easy. So that's a really fun pearl look. You can use any leather color you like, any pearl color you like. You could go bigger with the pearls, you could go smaller with the pearls. This is a really versatile technique. So really fun there. I want to make sure I get to see your guys' comments. Let me know your favorite pearl jewelry. Yeah, this is very long, and it looks like it would take forever to make, but this technique actually goes by pretty quickly considering, so it wouldn't take as long as you think, I bet. That traditional classic elegant look of those classic pearls, but like on a bigger scale. I think that's going to be very trendy this year. So this look, very classic, but they are those bigger pearls. This is another one with those nice big pearls. We got really big pearls here, and then this fun little cluster of crystals in between those big pearls. I think that's really fun and playful. You could definitely switch up the colors, maybe a nice pink or a yellow, like the color of the year. That would be so fun. I love this look a lot. These earrings are some of my favorites that I've made. So I've got these big pearls here, and then I knotted them with some blue Griffin silk cord, because as you can see, this pearl kind of has a little bit of a hint of blue. And then these are 3 individual tags tassels, and I chopped their heads off to fit them in the TierraCast crimp ends, and I squished them all together to make that big fan look. So really fun. I love these earrings. I think they're really modern and pretty, and I just love the colors of these pearls. So that's another fun way to play with your pearls to make them new again, is look into those fun different colors that we have. We have so many beautiful crystal pearl colors and freshwater pearl colors that are going to be a lot of fun to add to your jewelry designs. Here's another one inspired by a red carpet look from not too long ago. These are earrings. So they're really long, which is another trend for this year, really long dangling earrings. This is another fun one that I think will be great for the pearl trend this year is these pearls are thread wrapped onto a leather cord for this super cute bracelet. I wear this bracelet all the time because it just goes with everything and super easy to just thread wrap them on with embroidery floss, or you could use our Griffin silk cord. We've got those in a lot of different colors. And then the leather's just finished with our cord ends and a jump ring. So really pretty. I think that's a really fun look for the new pearl trend this year. I love that one. And then there's this fun look. I love the mix of pearls with some check glass flowers and of course a tassel. I think tassels add a little bit more fun to everything. So that is a really fun look for summer, for spring, just super sweet. I think this is a very youthful look too. So that would be a fun one to make with a teen in your life. But this is a little more of a neon look, and I love the design of this one. It's one continuous strand, and then it's got chain and some pearls. So you could wrap this around a couple times for a fun look, wear it long, super pretty colors together. So if you're making all of these kinds of pearl jewelry designs, you might have some pearls left over, and a great way to use them that will be totally on trend is to get a bobby pin or a barrette and just wrap those pearls right on there. So I've got some wire here. I'm using a 24 gauge Art Beads designer wire, and we have this wire in a lot of colors, so you could use whatever color matches your pearls or your bobby pin best. All kinds of ways to use these, and it's super easy to do. So I'm just going to cut my wire here. Let's see. So usually when I put bobby pins on, I'm going to use this side to the inside of my head. So this side would be on display here. So all you have to do is coil that end of your wire to the end of the bobby pin. We'll do that here. I know all of these pearls are so pretty. I really love pearls. They're so versatile, I think, and I'm really loving that they're really standing out this year in fashion and in jewelry. Like I said, those headbands, those velvet headbands that are kind of like turban style, and they're usually embellished with beads, pearls especially. Those have been a lot of fun to see. And I, of course, own a couple because I think they're so much fun and I just love the pearl look on them. Okay, so I've got my wire kind of started on there. I just wrapped it around a couple times, and then I'm just going to add a pearl, and then we will wrap it around again. All right, and then you just gotta wrap your wire around that bobby pin edge. I've got a really big bobby pin here because I like that big look there. And then so I've got it wrapped around once, and then I'm gonna coil that wire down once around the bobby pin again, just to make sure that pearl stays put. I've seen a lot of pearl hair accessories lately, especially barrettes just like covered in pearls. I think that look is really trendy. Let's see, I'm gonna do another pearl on here. These are the Swarovski Iridescent Dreamy Rose pearls, which is a really beautiful color. Super fun effect that I think is really whimsical, but still modern. Super fun. So we've got another pearl on there, and then we're going to wrap that wire around again. And luckily, you can use that bobby pin opening there at the end of the bobby pin. So we've got another pearl on there, and then I'm gonna wrap around once more just to make sure that that bobby pin or that pearl stays in place. There we go. All right, and then I'm just gonna keep going with that. I might add, I've got this bigger pearl here, I might add that in the center as well. If you have a lot of hair like me, part of the bobby pin is going to be hidden in your hair if you're using it for function. So maybe you would just add 3 to the top of the bobby pin so that kind of just sticks out from your hairstyle. Or if you're just using the bobby pin purely for decoration, you could add a bunch of pearls all the way down, and then you'd have this really fun pearl look. So that is a really easy, really quick way to use up maybe some of the extra pearls that you have. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that bell so you get notified every time there's a new video. Thank you guys so much, and have a wonderful day.